your partner well enough. If not, drink a mystery drink.
Vale, what is Ethan's least favorite food?
Yeah, I have a list of this.
I know.
I think he would detest liver soup.
He actually loves
Mushrooms.
it.
Vale got the question wrong. You got number 3.
Oh yes. Okay.
You're
Wait.
lucky.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know. Okay, what? Okay, what's Turtle's dog's name? Like his first dog ever.
Pretty sure I told you once too.
You probably did. You told me that that Valley let him out and he died.
Yep.
I'm gonna say that the name starts with a T. Nope.
Okay, drink up.
What
Pick
is
up
it?
Stitch.
Stitch.
Yeah.
Stitch and Bam Bam. Who named these dogs?
3.
3? Oh, your favorite drink.
Literally my favorite drink.